beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you this sunny day? If you're new here, hi, my name is Eleftheria and I'm a front-end developer. We are currently doing the daily UI challenge and I am on day 73. We are going to combine some projects all together, so you're going to do from day 73 to day 79 and just this thing. And as you can see, I've already written quite a few things, but before we start seeing the code, I would like to remind you to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome. And if you have any questions or anything that you would like me to see me doing, then please leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer it or code it. Alright, without further ado, let's see what we have. For the title, we have a virtual reality kit and app, or maybe first I could say the day. So for day 73 we have a virtual reality, day 74 we have a download app, day 75 a pre-order, day 76 a loading, day 77 a thank you, day 78 a pending invitation, and day 79 an itinerary. So I will start with a virtual reality kit and app, and then I have a div and some buttons. We've already done quite a few buttons, so I don't think that I should rewrite them from the beginning. And also in these buttons I have two functions, one so preloader and the other one is so alert. Now if I go to the JavaScript, I also have the pre-order. Again, this is something that we've done a numerous time. This is a function with the controller and then a template URL which goes to the dialog, template and HTML. And also this is for opening and closing the function. So if I go back to the HTML, you will notice that I have a script here which is dialog, template and HTML, and if I open it you will see that I have quite a few things. So we'll click on here and this is actually the result. So I have pre-ordered the newest kit of the virtual reality. I have a name, last name, an email, and then I accept terms of services. Everything is mandatory or required, and you can also click the pre-order now. Okay, that is for the pre-order. I will minimize the script and we will start typing. The first thing that I'm going to add is an image. For images, I've been using lately the Unsplash and it's like quite handy. You can find everything, and I've already found an image that I like. It's this one, so I'm going to copy it right here. Alright, in the description box you will find all the links, and more importantly you will find two links, one for my CodePen account so you can just copy and paste the same project if you liked it, or if you missed something that I wrote, again you can go there and see it by yourself. But also there is a link for GitHub, and you will find all the informations again in the description box. So after that I will have my two buttons, one for the pre-order and another one for the download app. Now for the pre-order we are done, but for the other one, show alert or download app, we are not done. So I'm going to the JavaScript part and I will go, I think I can go like under here, and I will have like a scope dot show alert, and this will be like a function. Okay, now for this function we are going to do some interesting things. We're going to add a loader, as well as we are going to do some other cool things. First of all, we are going to need an empty dialog. Okay, and I will do it like that. So I have an empty dialog with show and a template. This time the template is not like it was previously, which was like another HTML file, but this time I'm having an empty dialog, an ID, then some styling, and then an empty dialog content with layout row, layout margin, padding and all these things. The most important thing is this part right here, which says an MD progress circular, MD mode intermediate, and MD diameter 40. This is 40 pixels, and this is where you will have like your loader, because one of the days, day 76, it has a loading effect, so I thought that I could do something like that. Okay, very quickly I'm going to add the other informations like the parent, the click outside to box to close, the full screen, and the escape to close. Alrighty, now I can do it like this, and of course I'm going to add just one more thing, and this is going to be the timeout function. So for the timeout function, very simply, I'm going to have an empty dialog with cancel and 5000 milliseconds. Okay, I will need also to close it like that. Oops, not like that, but like that. Alright, and now we are good to go. So for the timeout function, maybe 5 seconds, it's too much, maybe it's okay, we will see in a bit as we are using it. So yeah, that's it. Download should start shortly, which is like this part right here, and for the 5 seconds. And you have also like the thank you. So again, download up, download should start shortly, and thank you. Alright guys, we have the download up, we have the pre-order, but we are missing quite a few things, so let's go back to the HTML and see what we are missing. I think that I'm going to work with the pending invitation for now, so I'm going to do very quickly, I will copy this thing. Let's go here, and I will have maybe note space around bat center. Okay, and inside here I can have like download the app and connect with the VR world. Okay, I will do it like that. Okay, maybe I can copy this thing one more time, and I can add some buttons. So if it's a pending invitation, it should have something like an accept invitation or decline the invitation. So I'm going back to the space around. Okay, and again I will need 2 buttons, so to make it a little bit faster I'm going to copy this, but this time I don't need an end click. Okay, and I will also change the class to what name should I use? Maybe invitation buttons, and invitation buttons. Okay, copy this and paste it here. And alright, maybe I can also add a class here to make this look a little bit prettier. So let me do it like that, invitation. Okay, let's add some styling for this part and these 2 parts right here. So I'm going to copy the invitation and I'm going to the CSS. What should we do with the invitation? Maybe I can add some padding, because I don't like it as it is right now. Maybe 16 pixels is quite okay, and then I will also have my text align to center. Alright, but now I also think to add some style for the buttons, so I'm going to do it like invitation and buttons. Oh my god, sorry for the external noise. It's Saturday morning, and I guess there is a lot of noise outside the house. Anyway, for the padding I'm going to have 8 pixels, and this will be important. It has to be important, otherwise it's not going to work, because we are using the empty buttons and they already have their own style. So to change that style, you have to use them important. Okay, then I don't think I need this, but other than padding, I'm going to have a border radius with 16 pixels. Again, this has to be important. Okay, and I can have like background color, light blue, I guess. I like this color, light blue. Okay, maybe it's going to be faster if I again copy this thing. I'm going to need a margin bottom. Oh god, I cannot type today. Cool, with 50 pixels and important. And last but not least, I can have like a text transform, because I don't like to have them like always in capital, like everything in capital, so I'm going to use the capitalize, and in that way I'm going to have only the first letter of the word with capital. Okay, I think that we are done with the styling, so we can go back to the HTML. And we did the pending invitation, but we did nothing about the itinerary, so I'm going to add a few things about that as well. The first thing that I'm going to do is very simply like copy this line here, paste it here. Maybe actually I don't need all of these things. I can do it like this, and I will copy this word, paste it here. Okay, maybe I can actually do something else. Oops, I didn't want it like this. Come on, copy. Alright, so now I have the layout row, and here I think that I'm going to add a button, so MD button. Okay, this button should have a flex of 100. I want it to be a big button. And then for the class, we're going to use the usual class, which is the submit button. Okay, and inside here I'm going to have an href. Okay, so for here I will need like this, and also target blank. Okay, so let me add this thing here. And now the thing is that I found a cool project that I did a while ago, and I'm going to use this as an itinerary. Again, it's on CodePen, and I don't remember when exactly I did it, but I know it must be like almost 2 years ago. I know, a long time. So let's see what we have. We have the pre-order, which is just a button, download app, and all this goes for the panic invitation. Then for the thank you, we did like this thing right here, the thank you, which goes with also with day76, which is the loading effect. Then for the pre-order, we've done like this part right here, and everything for here is for the virtual reality. So the last thing is the itinerary, and if you click on it, you will transfer to another page. For me, this is CodePen. For you, it could be like something like history and stuff. So yeah, I just like that, and I edited it. Alright guys, so that was for this project. If you also liked it, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would be amazing, and I wish you to have an amazing day as well. See you really soon, and don't forget to code just a little bit along the day.